Good morning, students. This video session is for class 2nd students. Subject Reasoning. Chapter number 17. Meaningful words. This is our lecture number 2. Now beta, meaningful words. So let's see what is in these questions. In these type of questions, we have given two incomplete words in opposite direction with one fill in the blank, and we have to write one letter to make both words meaningful. There are four options and we have to choose the correct option and fill the blank by that option, and we will find two meaningful words. So बेटा, what do you mean by it? ऐसे क्वेश्चंस में बेटा हमें दो इनकम्प्लीट वर्ड्स गिवन होंगे, ठीक है, इन अपोजिट डायरेक्शन, और उसे हमें फिल करना होगा वन लेटर से, ओके, और वही लेटर यूज होगा दोनों वर्ड्स के लिए, सिंगल लेटर, ओके। हमें फोर ऑप्शंस गिवन होंगी एंड वी हैव टू चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। उसमें से करेक्ट ऑप्शन हम चूज करेंगे और वो दोनों वर्ड्स जो हैं हमारे मीनिंगफुल वर्ड्स बन जाएंगे। लेट्स सी हाउ। There is an example. Fill in the blanks to make meaningful word. Here beta, you can see we have given two words in this way, okay, in this format. So here you can see it is given TU-OR, MO-OR. It means we have to fill here one letter to complete this question. So here we have options. Here in A, option number A, it is given D. In option number B, it is given S. In option number C, it is given T. And in option number D, it is given W. Now beta, we will start by putting option number A in this blank. Okay, so let's see what word we will get after writing D in between this. So TUDOR, tutor, it is not any word, it is not a meaningful word, okay, so leave this. Now here the option is S in B part, so we will put S here. TUSOR, TUSOR, it is not also a meaningful word, so leave this word, this letter also. Now T, TUTOR, tutor. Yes, tutor is a meaningful word. And the second one is MOTOR, motor. Motor is also meaningful word. So beta, we have to fill here T, okay, because by putting this T here we will get two meaningful words, tutor and motor. Now we will write its answer. Option number C is correct. Understood beta? Like this you have to fill the blank. Now beta, today's homework. So you have to do this work. Fill in the blanks to make meaningful words. So here in question number 1, it is given these two words with one fill in the blank here. Okay, so I am putting question mark here. You have to fill the correct letter to make both words meaningful. And our options are A, D, B, N, C, M, D, P. Understood beta? Now question number 2. Here again we have two words, okay, with one blank. So here question mark, and these are the options. A, option number A, B, B, H, C, R, D, G. Now in question number 3, again two words are given and question mark. You have to fill the correct letter to make both words meaningful. These are the options. Now in question number 4, again these are two words, okay, and you have to make meaningful words by putting correct option here, and these are the options, okay. Now question number 5, again we have given two words beta and with one question mark. You have to fill the correct letter to make both the words meaningful, and these are the options. Understood beta? Now homework solution of chapter number 17, compound words, lecture number 1. So beta, I had given you this work, okay, and now we will discuss. Now find four hidden words in following compound words. So beta, we have given some compound words and we have to find out four hidden words. Hidden words means छुपे हुए words हमें find out करने हैं, which we can make from those compound words. Okay, so let's see. Here in question number 1, honey bee is given. Okay, the word compound word is honey bee, and we have to make four hidden words. So today I am going to tell you eight hidden words by using this compound word. Okay, so here the first one is honey, HONEY, honey. Honey means शहद. Okay, the next word is bee, BEE, bee means madhumakhi. Okay, on means per. This is a preposition. Okay, BYE, by. Next word is he, he, वह. one means एक. No means नहीं. And I means आँख. Understood beta? We can make many more words by using this compound word. Okay, honeybee. Now question number 2. Independence is given. Okay, now we have to make hidden words. So let's start. First one is in मतलब में. Then depends, किसी पे depend रहना, ठीक है. Next one is den, den, जहाँ पे शेर रहता है बेटा, that is den. end means खत्म होना, समाप्त होना. Next word is deep means गहरा. Then pen, dense होता है बेटा घना. And pin. You can also make many more words by using this compound word, independence. Okay beta? Question number 3, lady finger. So beta, by using this compound word lady finger, we can make hidden words like lady, LADY, lady. Then next word is finger, ungli. ठीक है बेटा? Next is lid, किसी भी चीज का जो ढक्कन होता है उसे हम lid बोलते हैं. Next one is a friend, FRIEND, friend. Friend means mitra. Next is anger, ANGER, anger. Anger means gussa. Okay. Next is den, DEN, den. Next word is ready, READY, ready. And delay, DELAY, delay. Delay का मतलब होता है देरी से. ओके, और रेडी का मतलब होता है जब कोई चीज तैयार हो जाती है तो हम बोलते हैं कि the thing is ready. Okay. Now question number 4, butterfly. Now we will make first word but means parantu. Next is BUTTER, butter means makhan. Next one is fly. Okay, udana. Then BELT, belt. You know the meaning of belt. Next one is blue. This is a color, BLUE, blue. Next is blur, BLUR, blur. Blur क्या होता है बेटा? जब कोई चीज हमें साफ दिखाई नहीं देती है, कोई पिक हमें साफ दिखाई नहीं देती है, तो हम क्या बोलते हैं? This is blur. Okay. Next is rule, RULE, rule. Okay, rules, we have to follow the rules now, so this is that rule. Next is true, TRUE true. True means सही. Okay, हमें हमेशा सच बोलना चाहिए. True. Now question number 5, that is rainbow. RAINBOW, and our answer is rain. RAIN rain यानी बारिश. BOW bow. Okay. Next one is nib. NIB nib. Then brain. BRAIN brain. BIN bin. Dustbin होता है ना बेटा, bin. BIN bin. Next is war. WAR war means युद्ध. AIR air, hawa, and OR or. Yeah. Okay beta, you can make many more words by using these compound words. Understood beta? Thank you.